Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Trends for market research. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the top, we have three sections: Home, Explore, and Trending Now. Right here in the Home section, here in this search bar, you're going to find some random names. And right here, the topics that are trending. And under it, you're going to find which country the topic is trending in. If you scroll down right here, you're going to find Made with Trends. See how Google Trends is being used across the world by newsrooms, charities, and more. And lastly, right here, you're going to find Get Started with Trends. Use Trend, browse these resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. So as you can see guys, there is more for resources. So the first one is what is Google Trends, basics of Google Trends, understanding the data and advanced Google Trends. If you go right here to the Explore section, you can search for any term or any topic. For example, we're going to search for World Cup. And right now, from here, you can search which country you want to see. For example, I'm going to select the United States. From here, you can select the time window that you want. For example, past hour, past 4 hours, past 12 months. Right here, you can select the category. And from here, you can choose if you want to see the stats of the web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, and lastly, YouTube search. For example, I'm going to select YouTube search. And if you scroll down right here, you can see the timeline from here. And right here, you're going to see the interests by subregion. As you can see, guys, this is the map. You can see every state from here. And right here, you're going to see the list. So it's sorted by the most searched. So the first one is Massachusetts, and after it, California, and so on. And right here, you're going to see some other related topics. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.